Hi, I'm Monodenium, and this is Luka Ghost. Welcome back. Hi, I'm Monodenium, and this is Luka Ghost, and we are doing What Are You Doing to My Face? Because I don't have a proper name for this series anymore. Yay. You can't keep calling things a series when you do them yearly, but that's what we're doing today. I also don't have a Pictionary board to follow this series, but I truly barely know what I'm doing to his face today. I have a really cool costume, so we'll see where this goes.
I'm excited.
So, we're going to do the boring part off camera, which is where Luka does his eyebrows again, and then we'll be right back. Alright, so we got eyebrows. We can start this officially now.
Eyebrows. More like eyebrows.
Bye.
I'm very proud of that one.
So, I ran out of that white, but you're lucky. I forgot I bought this.
Oh,
so this is, we don't need to be actually ghost white, but it'll be whatever. I don't know. I think it's like moonlight or alabaster or something like that.
Very Grisabella.
Yes. Should I prime you?
Well, I've already put my face cream on.
Okay, you're beautiful.
I put my hand cream on my face because I didn't bring face cream. So.
You don't need none of my help. Oh yeah, so the look today. So it started out as one thing, and then I made that costume, and then it turned into another thing. So I'm just gonna say you were gonna be some kind of RPG adventurer, is what it is. But it's still gonna be very Luka Ghost in a way.
Luka Ghost typically is an RPG adventure.
Yeah. This shit is really thin.
Oh yeah, Krylon. I usually use that knife.
No, it's Maron.
Oh.
Yeah. I got coverage last time, but I'm like, maybe we can start with a regular foundation color.
Necessity is the mother of invention.
Yeah. Yeah.
Woo. Oh god, now it's just the Luka Ghost show. What do I do? I'm not usually on camera without makeup and antlers. Well, okay, now I have the antlers, so that's something. It's not quite up to my usual standards, but like I just said, necessity is the mother of invention.
Oh, I like this reverse shading already. I don't even have the good stuff on it.
I have no idea what it looks like, so I'm going to trust you. This is better. This is a much better trust exercise than those ones where you fall backwards. I can't do those. I will tense up. I will do the whole warg thing.
Warg.
Yes, I will literally warg.
My parents left me. I can't do this.
You don't need to get into Luka's parent issues on the show.
I don't know of any parent issues. I'm just making things up.
Well, haven't you seen Bambi? You know what happened to my mom.
I know what happened to Bambi's mom.
Is there really a difference?
I don't know anything about your family, other than you grew up in San Francisco.
No, I didn't. You don't even know that.
Oh, God, I got that wrong.
I was born there, and then we moved away, and then we moved to a lot of other places.
Oh.
And then we moved back, and then we got gentrified right out again, so.
Oh. How old were you when you moved away from San Francisco?
The first time?
Yes.
2.
2?
And then we moved back when I was 7, and then we moved out again when I was 9.
Oh.
So I guess really I've lived in Chicago the longest, but I didn't end up there until I was maybe 12 or so I can't really count that as a home. So.
Well, this is a getting to know you
I'm
experience.
just a rolling stone.
I know. I was telling Luka, I'm like people know you for your pictures. They don't know you as much in person and the boy, or at least everybody else online. So this is
and they're going to be
experience.
So disappointed.
I'll be like, he's sweet. So sweet.
I mean, to be fair, I don't really think it was kind of the secret that I'm a giant dork, so maybe that I'm not really a deer monster, but... So that's a purple.
Feels like I'm just oiling your face with grease. Like this is like a thin watercolor. I swear
I'm sure I've let men do worse things to my face.
Have you?
I have a salty dog. At least I was in my time.
No.
Did I actually just say I'm a salty dog?
You're a salty
old dog.
So salty.
Why don't people say that? It would be wonderful.
It'd be a lot more interesting than I'm a whore.
To be fair.
You just be like,
different
I'm
strokes.
a salty dog.
The world don't move to the beat of just one drum. What might be right for you might not be right for some.
Okay, I'm not gonna go too crazy with this part. We'll do that.
It's like I'm the Grimace. Did you know he was evil at first?
No.
Yeah, he had 4 arms. He had the McDonald's Grimace, and he stole all the milkshakes.
Oh, he was like my favorite when I was a kid.
I mean, I can see the drag inspiration to this
Well,
day.
he wasn't evil then. He was just, I'm just vampire purple.
To be fair, though, as much as it shames me to admit it, I don't want to think that we get, like, attached to the McDonald's characters, but the chicken nugget ladybird was definitely my favorite one. So I guess maybe we do more than we think we do. More than anything else, I guess I'm probably just a social media queen, but I kind of like that because I really get to see the goings on of scenes all across the country.
I really like. I'm like, yeah, I'm cool just like being online, just doing this. I'm like,
the internet's a nice. Well, it's not really a nice place at all, actually.
You know what? It kind of is in a lot of ways, though. I mean, of course, there's like hate everywhere too, but like YouTube's like really weird at least as far as drag goes. Where did I put that setting powder? Where did I put it?
Where did you put it?
Oh god, now I have to interrupt the story. All right, yeah, so like social media. I don't know, like performing for me. It's like one of those things you do, like when you're like a teenager, and you go out and you do it all the time, and you come back and you're like, fuck, this sucks, and then your mom's like, why do you keep doing it? It just takes a while to figure it out. I mean, like, there's parts of it that I like, and it was good meeting everybody and being social and doing all that, but like, I don't know, lip syncing really isn't my thing. I can do other stuff here and stay in my bubble, and God knows this is a production.
I mean, look, it's got production value.
Production.
Would you say when you do your kind of pixel animations that you're a little bit like Super Nintendo inspired?
Oh yeah, I mean like, I was like, I need to like make a whole video on just how people just throw up their childhood in drag. Cause like,
to be fair, I do.
I mean, the references I have for everything, like if I like spelt it all out, you'd be like, girl, I see it. And then you'd be like, you just took that from that and that and that and that, or I don't know. But yeah, there's a lot of based on like games and music and stuff from when I was a kid.
Come to think of it, between the fairy tales and traveling around everywhere, I pretty much am repeating my childhood with my drag. Just fairy tales and going around everywhere.
Just acting out your problems from your childhood, trying to fix them as an adult.
Oh gosh, isn't that the state of life?
All right, wait. We have to show a miracle happen. Get it up close here. This is not the miracle yet, but turn the other way. Yep, that way. I just started taking off the makeup wipe. We're gonna fix this area.
I told her she could. Also, wow, this is so much different than I do. So, like, seeing myself like this is... I still feel like the Grimace, but, you know, I just kind of embraced my Grimace nature. Maybe Grimace is my moon sign after all. Oh god, could you picture the McDonald's horoscope?
God.
Like, no, you know what, now that we've said that, McDonald's is gonna like do some viral marketing shit like, oh, if you're, you know, your Capricorn is your Ronald McDonald and you're a total Hamburglar rising. As a Capricorn, I'm probably the Mayor McCheese because he has to like keep order amongst the, you know, McDonald Plantations. I feel like maybe Ronald McDonald is like our Leo or so, and Grimace might be our no, Grimace is too much of a dreamer to be a Taurus. Hamburglar is Scorpio. Like, there's no way around it. Like, Hamburglar is the Scorpio.
But I want to be Grimace.
Well, what's your sign?
Scorpio.
Oh, well, I'm sorry. There's just, you're a Hamburglar. Grimace is too nice and bumbling to be a Scorpio.
Damn.
Yes.
You're starting to feel like a completely different person with all this makeup now.
I mean, I feel the same because I can't see myself.
I was like, or maybe you are acting different because you saw little bits.
I'm acting different because you made me drink 2 shots of Sailor Jerry's.
Also what 2 shots does to Luka.
Hi, Emmy, you better be watching this or I won't love you anymore. Or just, when my friend Bellatrix Fox, who had better be watching this, or I will still love you, but I'll be sad and you don't want that.
All
Let
the
me
way.
tell you all a story. When Bellatrix Fox, hi Bella, you'd better be watching this.
You already said that.
Yes, but you'd better still be watching this, Bella. Hey Loma, if you're watching this, which you'd better be, I love you and I have faith in you, and I think you're going to blossom and become your best Loma self someday. By the way, LED and Ryan, if you're watching this, which you'd better be, I hope Tucky's extra lucky today. I don't think I did the you'd better be watching for Gidget, but to be fair, I was talking about her, not to her. And she'll never know. She'll never know that I respect her for keeping so many plants. Hi Rackham, I hope you're watching. You were amazing last night. You were my favorite performer.
She knows who you are.
Hi Apple, I hope you're watching or else I won't like you anymore if you're not, but you won't know, will you? So. Oh, that's true, Marijuana. You're probably watching this because you need. Wait, we'll do that whenever. I'm just saying, I don't like talking to the camera when you're in front of it.
And cut.
And I think makeup is good.
Woo! Well, that's subjective. The makeup's finished, though.
True. So YouTube, keep in mind I'm extra as hell, and I made this outfit and this wig for this occasion for Luka because I'm crazy.
And I got to listen to all of her anxieties about getting it finished in time for me to come out.
So, Mr. Adventurer, what do you think of your new cape?
Ah! It has buttons! Show them the buttons. Buttons! Oh no, now I'm turned around. It was.
Alright, well, let's go put this one on.
Okay. Ready?
Alright, I'm gonna get the wig. I gotta cut the lace on it still. I think I'm just gonna cut all the lace off.
Oh, that's cute though. Yay. So I'm gonna basically look like I belong in some Jim Henson movie, don't I?
No, you're gonna look like you belong in a JRPG. Get up in the camera.
Up in the camera.
Well, like here-ish, because the lighting's weird.
I'm gonna kidnap something.
I'm gonna kidnap something. I'm gonna kidnap something.
Or like, no, I'd be a creature who maybe like steals all your turnips or something. Or like, I definitely belong in McDonald land somewhere though.
Okay, wait. So I have a comment to end all comments on this look about what this is. Let's get all the proper lighting. Ooh. Okay, JRPG version, like Disgaea, that kind of artwork. Is this not JRPG Heroine Needle Sally?
No, I'm going to say that this is the Jim Henson McDonald's crossover RPG that got distributed, with the Happy Meals somewhere in the future, 2040 or so. And this is their protagonist character. McDonald's isn't even paying me, and yet I can't get them out of my mouth for whatever reason.
So that's our look.
That's the look.
I hope you enjoyed our video.
I take no responsibility for any of this.
No responsibility at all.
None.
I'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Check out my other series and performances by clicking on the end screens or in the description below. Follow me on Instagram for more dragon crafts at Miss Mona Denium. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.